Here, I want to give you some help with something, and this is really easy. A lot of you may already know how to do this. How to get more followers on your Facebook page. So I want to do something right here. This is my Facebook page. See? So here's what you do. Whatever business you have, log onto your Facebook page, right? So click up there, click on your fan page, and scroll down. Okay, so right here. This is the story I just posted a little while ago. And it could be an advertisement, it could be whatever it is. Okay, so when you post something, give it a couple hours and then go back and look. Down here where you see this, the thumbs up and the whoa face and the mad face, you'll see a number right here, 23. This is how many people have reacted to your post. You see right there? I'm circling it, 23. So this shows you how many people have reacted to your post. Now, you can invite these people to follow your page. Most of you know this, but if you don't, this is a great way to grow your following. So right here, here's what you want to do. Some of these people may not already follow your page. So you're going to want to click the 23, click the button right next to that, and it will bring up this. It will bring up a list of all the people that liked your page, okay? Or that liked that post. Now, all of them already follow me. So I'm going to go down to one. How about this right here? It's a picture of a snowy day in the Upper Peninsula. So let me show you right here. I had 1,000 people like this. So I'm going to click this button right here. Okay, this is what we want. See all these people where it says invite, invite, invite? Can you see it on the screen? So right here where it says invite, you're going to want to click invite, 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 and just keep going down the list. Invite, invite, invite. Keep doing that and looking to where it says invite. Those people do not follow you already. And when you click the invite button, when you're done, you can get out of it. But when you click the invite button, they will get a notification on their Facebook page to follow you. And many of them will follow your page. So that is a great way to grow your page, something Facebook really doesn't talk about a lot. But just a little tip or a trick for all of you out there to grow your Facebook page. I'll keep on giving you tips. Thank you for being here.